Oh, welcome back to the channel. Nice Saturday morning again. I'm out here walking around with dogs. Here's old buddy dog. The rest of them up there. Pretty goats are eating them, not raisins, but we ain't getting into that. But I'm off for next week. I like vacations. Oops, I'm back on now. Alright, let's get into everything. I got a few things to do today. I gotta mow the lawn. Lawn definitely needs to be mowed. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It is shaggy. I didn't mow it last weekend. I chose to go fishing, which I love fishing. Also, the garden's done. I don't have to do nothing in it, but we'll walk through it anyway. See how the boys are doing. Now here it is. The boys are eating it down pretty good. There's Rebel Dog. She's out here playing around. Yep, here's my boys. No, they ain't tore the wire down yet. But they have ate a lot of stuff. They like all the plants over here. And all this. And, well, boys are boys. When you're done with it, nothing goes to waste around here. We'll feed it to the goats. Yeah, goats love eating it. There's Willie. Yep, Nathan's so pretty. Rebel, don't mess with him. I'm gonna get my tomato stands out of here before they decide to tear them up. And yes, they will tear them up. Let's see if I can get through the gate right here real quick. What the hell? Give me a second. There we go. I made it through the gate. I had to shut the camera off for a second, but let's see. Haley? No rainfall this week. Too much. Maybe a quarter inch. We got walk over here. Turn the dogs loose. Get them out of the field. I see Pixie waiting at the gate, and the other two going, Daddy didn't let me out. I'm a-coming. Don't worry. Look. Yeah, Misty Ride. She's 16 years old, 17 years old, still get out here, run around. Yeah, old buddy right there, he's pushing, I think 14 now. But, let me get over here. Let the monsters out. We're gonna let the monsters out. Yeah, we are. Alright, come on. Rebel, come on. Rebel. Pixie, come on. Come on, Reb. Hey, young lady. Hey, come here. Let's go. You know which way to go. Now, I'll do something no lady don't like me doing. I'll go over and turn the girls loose in the yard. Yeah. Pigs. We don't need to see that. Over here. Definitely need to mow the grass. It's getting long. But you know, other than that, I don't have a whole lot planned today. I'm gonna check the weather for tomorrow, see if we can fish. I hope so. But we do live in Florida, and it does rain a lot. And I hate to say it, the wind likes blowing a lot too. There's one of the chickens that didn't go up last night. Here we go. Hey, my girls. That my girls? Y'all want in the yard? Y'all raise hell and no lady holler at me? Why not? Ain't that right? Why not? Don't worry, when I fire that thing up there, they'll run. They will run. Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, Pixie. Pixie always thinks he's a goat herder. Why is it always the smallest dog that they're the biggest monsters? Now, anybody else had this problem? And right here is what you call a banana spider. Oh, I like that joker. Yeah, that's fun. Running a net web right there, walking in there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Here we go. I got my lawnmowers activated right now. There's all three. The other one's right over there. Yep. That is lawnmowers activated. Gotta love it. Well, there we go. There's a monster in the old lady's little flower area over there. Let's see how close we can get to her before she runs off. Behind the tree. She sees us. Hey, little girl. How you doing? Huh? The old lady would be extremely mad right now. You give her and eat her flowers, which I would think it was funny. But, oh, okay. About as close as we gonna get. Yes. She's a pretty thing, ain't she? You're pretty. How you doing, young lady? Huh? You doing all right? Oh, she ain't that alerted. Her tail ain't up. All right. I'm gonna send this video to the old lady. So she likes it. Ooh, I hear thunder in the background. Here we are. I'm gonna walk up here and turn the chicks loose. Let them go. See if y'all paid rent today. I don't know about y'all sometimes. Y'all need to pay more rent than usual. Alright, there you go. Alright. Rent? Got 2 eggs in there. I guess that's good enough rent. Let me get 2 eggs and put in the house. Well, it's time to get on the old lawnmower right here and do some mowing. Yard needs it. Done stopped raining. I'll put my earbuds in and go at it for a little while. Takes me about an hour to mow and weed eat everything. You know, just normal stuff. Now, there we go. A nicely fresh mowed lawn. Got it laying down through there too and out there along the road. It's just beautiful. Smells great. Me and Pixie dogs out here. See where the squirrels have been getting the corn cobs. Coming over to the tree and eating them around the tree right over here. I mowed a bunch of them. Damn little tree rats. Yeah, all sort of stuff laying around from the little tree rats. I'll get them back. All right. Yeah, good morning. It's the next day. I'm sitting here in the garden, the old garden. I gotta pull a few things up. Get those up before the goats totally tear them up. Need to get the fence out of here. Here's the boys. They are gnawing it down pretty good. But I seen something down here yesterday. Here it is. I still got carrots growing. Look at that. Good carrot. See if I can get down here and pull some more of them up. Look at that. Pretty sized carrot. Not the best carrot in the world, but carrot's a carrot. You know that. I've got some carrots. Don't have many, but I got some. Got me a handful of carrots now. Woohoo! That's the first time I ever got carrots. I've grown them, but they just don't work out for me. But the demolition crew is definitely demolition. Let me throw these over the fence. I'll pick them up here in a little bit. Yep, the demolition crew is actually demolition pretty good. But that's what I got them in here for. Once I get all my vegetables out of here, they'll come in here. The squirrels have been taking all the old corn cobs out there in the yard, all over the place, on the fence, and eating them. So I've been feeding the squirrels. Come down here. Oh, look at that. I'll probably get some more corn. That don't feel too bad. That one's a little gone. There's a few pieces. That one's probably already gone. That might not be. The old garden is something else. There's where one of them squirrels have been eating. Top the post. The old sun's up. But nothing exciting this week. Nothing really exciting going on. I'm on vacation for next week. So I imagine I'll have plenty of content coming out. I usually don't film at work, but me and no lady to go somewhere today. Sounds fun. That'll be in the next video. Y'all have a nice day.